The colors of the Kaaba's coverings have seen regular changes through the ages. The tradition of covering the Kaaba predates the emergence of Islam, with various Yemeni textiles composing the draping, according to Ibn Hisham, King Tuba Abu Karabazid of the Himyarite kingdom, who is traditionally considered a convert to Judaism, clothed Kaaba for the first time during the rule of the Jurhum tribe of Mecca in the early 5th century CE. Tuba later covered the Kaaba in a red, striped woolen garment, layering it atop the already existing hangings. The Quraysh, the ruling confederation of tribes in Mecca, later organized funding for the kiswa using annually collected payments from each of the tribes who worshipped there. The Prophet Muhammad covered it with white and red striped Yemeni cloth, and Abu Bakr al-Siddiq, Umar ibn al-Khattab, and Uthman ibn Affan covered it with white. Ibn al-Zubayr covered it with red brocade, where during the Abbasid era it was draped once with white and once in red, while the Seljuk Sultan covered it with yellow brocade. The Abbasid Caliph al-Nasir changed the kiswa's color to green and later to black brocade, and this has remained its color to the present day. Qati fabric was brought from Egypt and was one of the best types of fabric used to cover the Kaaba. The Yemeni kiswa was also a quality cloth and most famous at the time. On why the colors changed over the ages, Al-Daha said that white was the brightest color, but it was not durable. It often became torn, dirty, and impure as pilgrims touched it, and because it was not practical or long-lasting, it was replaced with black and white brocade and shimla, which was used for covering Arab tents. Historians confirm in an account that the Prophet was the first in Islam to cover the Kaaba with qodai, which is a thin white cloth made in Egypt and named after the Copts. The accounts mention that in the conquest of Makkah, the Prophet kept the old kiswa used in the era of the polytheists and did not replace it until a woman burned it while trying to scent it with incense. It was then covered with a Yemeni cloth. Muslim kings and sultans then continued to undertake covering the Kaaba and caring for it.